Hello everyone. In this video let us see how order management segment works in company dashboard. For that you should visit delhimax.app/admin website. Now enter the valid credentials to log in into the site. After logging into the site you can see the admin dashboard. Here click on the order management option and then click order dashboard. Here you can see the orders counts like today orders, orders that have been completed, cancelled order and processing orders counts of the particular day, and all the recent orders will be listed here. Now click on the new order option. Here, you can see all the orders that have been currently placed by the customers. If you click on the view order option, you can see all the details about the orders. By clicking the icon under the action column, you can log in to the company. Now you can see the company dashboard. On the top of the page you can find an option called accepting orders, which means that the company is currently accepting orders from customers. You can change these options by clicking on them. If you choose not to accept orders means that the company will not be accepting orders from the customers. If you click closed for today then it means that the company will not be accepting orders on that particular day. The next day it will automatically be back to accepting orders as per the schedule. Here under the order status column you can see various options and you can select any of them according to your needs. If you select the accept option, the accepted order will move to the processing order, where we can assign the driver manually. If you select the ready to pick up option, the order will be automatically accepted and assigned to a driver without moving to the processing state. If you select the cancel option, the customer's order gets cancelled and this order will be moved to cancelled order. Once you click on the view option, you can see the order details. Now let's take the DEL 170 order as an example and process this order. We accept the order now. Now this order has been moved to the processing orders. When you click the Assign Manually option, you can select a particular driver from the existing drivers list. If that assigned driver rejects the order, then the order will be assigned automatically to the nearby driver. Whereas, the Assign option assigns the orders to nearby drivers automatically. Clicking the Cancel option, the order will be cancelled. Now assign the DEL 170 order to the driver. You should click on the Assign Manually option and select the drivers from the existing drivers list, along with distance range from the pickup location. And submit. The order will be in processing order until the driver accepts the order. After accepting the order by the driver, the order DEL 170 moves to the pickup orders option. Now you can see this order and its details until the driver delivers it to the customer. After delivering the order DEL 170 to the customer and getting a confirmation from the driver's side, that order comes under the delivered orders. Here you can see the delivered order details. If you click on the cancelled option, you can see all the orders that have been cancelled by the customers and company. That is how the order management segment work in store dashboard. Thanks for watching and I hope this video was useful. See you on the next video.